removing the underbody on a Shark vacuum cleaner. So just turn it over. You see these areas here, these circles? Just get a screwdriver, flat one, turn, then lift up. There, you can clean this. You can clean any hair or any debris that's around this area of the brushes. And this one can also be removed. Releases on the side. Pulls out just like that. And this can be washed underneath the tap. So put it back together. These tabs in first. And then clockwise. And then your brush in. So this end here goes into this clear bit. This hook bit underneath. Clips in, and you're done.